Hey everyone, hey everyone, uh, welcome to my channel. Recently, I received some comments asking about my painting process, how I create art like this. I'm super excited to share my art process with you. First I start my painting with black and whites because it helps me to understand the exact value. Uh, so this is my process. So if you want to start with color, you can go with this. But I will suggest you if you paint only black and white, so you will understand the proper value, the light and dark shades. So the most important thing is brush. So what kind of brush I am using? Basically, I use soft brush and sometimes use hard brush for the hard edges. Uh, so there is no secret about brushes. You can do any painting with these two brushes, soft and hard brushes. When I'm happy with monochrome version, I select the area where I want to cut. Usually, what I will do, I select and use RGB values to adjust the color until they just look right. This painting takes me about 5 hours to complete. So what I want to say, please give your time and give your best. I'm still new to YouTube, so your support means world to me. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, click the bell icon for this update. If you have any suggestions on what kind of painting or what type of video you want to see, please comment me. Happy painting. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.